Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna. It is so good to be here with you today. This morning I am feeling energized, very awake, very ready. Energized means you have energy, you feel strong, you feel active. But sometimes in the morning we do not feel energized. Sometimes our brain feels slow, like it is still sleeping. In the morning, my brain is like a sleepy cat. It does not want to move. You open your eyes. You see the light, but your English does not wake up. You want to speak English, but your mind feels cloudy. We call this the morning fog. Say it with me. Morning fog. Again. Morning fog. Morning fog means your brain feels slow and unclear. Maybe you forget simple words. Maybe you cannot make a full sentence. Maybe you just say, And today I want to fix that. I want to help you wake up your English. But first, if you enjoy learning with me, please click the like button and subscribe to English with Mr. Bond so you never miss a lesson. And if you are listening right now, type the word awake in the comments. I want to see who is awake today. The first step is simple. Start small, very small. Do not open a grammar book at 6 a.m. That is too heavy for your brain. Instead, use labels. Small pieces of paper with English words. Put them on objects in your house. For example, refrigerator, cupboard, microwave, toaster, table, chair, door. I like this method because it is easy. You do not sit down and study. You just see the words every day. Your brain reads them naturally. Let me tell you something funny. One morning I was very sleepy. I put a label on my toaster, but I wrote printer. I looked at it and thought, why is my printer making toast? That is morning fog. But I was still thinking in English. Even mistakes are practice. Repeat after me. Refrigerator, cupboard, microwave. Toaster, table. Chair. Now say, this is my toaster. Good. This is my refrigerator. Excellent. Step 2 is habit stacking. That means add English to something you already do. You already drink coffee. You already brush your teeth. You already wash your face. Just add English. For example, when you pour coffee, say, coffee, hot coffee, I like coffee. When you wash your face, say, cold water, fresh water. I feel awake. It takes 10 seconds, but it wakes up your mouth, and your mouth needs practice too. Pause this episode right now. Look around you. Say 3 things you see in English. Go. Welcome back. That small action wakes up your English brain. Now my favourite step, mirror talk. Stand in front of the mirror, look at yourself, and say positive sentences. Positive means good and strong. For example, today is a good day. My English is improving. I am confident. I am brave. I can speak clearly. Let's practice. Repeat, I am confident. Good. I am brave. Good. I can speak clearly. Excellent. When you say this every morning, your brain starts to believe it. Confidence grows with action. Small action every day. Now let's talk about technology. Set your phone or smart speaker to English. Listen for 3 minutes, not 30, not 1 hour. Just 3 focused minutes. Focused means you listen carefully. You try to understand the main idea. Not every word, just the topic. For example, maybe you hear weather, traffic, school, meeting. That is enough. That is progress. The final step is the social launch. Speak to a real person. Send a short message. For example, good morning. Have a nice day. I am ready for work. Even one sentence builds confidence because it is real English. Now let's practice a real morning conversation. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I am a little sleepy, but I am ready. Did you drink coffee? Yes, I did. I feel better now. What is your plan today? I will go to work and practice my English. That sounds great. Have a good day. You too. See you later. Now repeat everything again slowly with me. Slower pacing. Excellent. That is real speaking practice. Let's review slowly. Step 1, labels. Step 2, habit stacking. Step 3, mirror talk. Step 4, 3-minute listening. Step 5, social launch. Say them with me. Labels, habit stacking, mirror talk, listening. Social launch, very good. The morning is powerful. In the first 15 minutes, your brain is soft, like clay. Clay is soft material. You can shape it. If you put English into your brain early, it stays longer. But remember, it does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be consistent. Consistent means every day. Even Saturday, even Sunday, even when you feel tired. Tomorrow morning, try one thing, just one. Maybe say, hello world. Maybe say, I am ready. Maybe say, coffee. And tell me in the comments, what is the first English word you will say tomorrow morning? Coffee, hello, sparkly. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English with Mr. Bond. Click the like button and share this with a friend who wants to improve their English. Keep going, stay brave, and have a wonderful English-filled morning. Goodbye, everyone. See you in episode 58.